Lila just discovered her toes. Is that good, Lila? Is that good?
Yummy salty toes.
There's some toe fuzz in there? Some toe jam? That big toe, yeah. I gotta make sure her nails are cut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't bite yourself. Keep slipping away from you, huh?
Can you get it back? Oh, that big toe. Oh.
That's a limber. That's like unbelievable. Are you trying to do that? There's no way.
I thought her stomach was too big to do it.
Not in the ring, but...
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty good. Makes it easy.
You're an acrobat. Is that yummy? She's thinking, they're gonna show me this when I'm 15. Me slipping on my toes. Okay. Keep it short and sweet. Bye-bye, Lullaby.
Your other foot's stuck, huh? Can you pull it out?